H7, H7 here. Okay, for this, let's make sure that the brake fluid reservoir, you open it. You can leave it, the lid there, as long as it's open. Yeah. Let's carry on. Okay, now these pins are loose anyway. You can take them out. Sliding pins are out. Sliding pins, take them out. Next thing that you need to do is to remove the spring here. Just need a plier. Okay, it came out easily. Caliper will be easily now to come off. Ta-la-la. As you can see, brake fluids, the brake pads are gone. There's no material there. And then you need a hanger to hang your caliper. Let's take out the other brake pad. It's gone. It's gone. Okay. Take this one here as well. Hope you can see. It's gone as well. It's gone. Okay. Because the payday is still far, I'm gonna use these brake pads that I once used. They still have a lot of material on it. It's still in good condition. So look at them. I'm gonna reuse these ones. I'm gonna reuse these ones I took out before they were finished, but they still enough material, yeah. So, but they better than these ones. You see here, there's no material, yeah. And if you compare that with this one, you can see the difference. This one is bad. Okay, actually let me compare it with this one. You see, it's bad. So I can reuse this one, throwing it away. I'm gonna compress back this piston here. Okay, push backwards. Okay. It's all the way to the back now. First, I'm gonna refit this one. Just need to push this spring in there. Okay, it's in there now. And then this other side, I need to reattach this one, put this one back. Okay, it goes in nicely. And then caliper housing, just gonna sit on top of that one. Ta-la-la. Okay, fitting the pins here and here. Okay, just let it slide it in. Okay, slide the other one on top. Okay, and then you tighten them. Ratchet. Let's use backwards, using the ratchet. Almost tight. Okay, they are installed now, and gonna refit this spring. It's a little bit tricky. Just put it on one side, and then it goes underneath there, and then you put it here,